We're told a pasta salad recipe calls for 3 cups of chopped vegetables. Asha chopped 8 cups of vegetables to make batches for an event. Use a tape diagram to determine how many batches of pasta salad Asha can make. Pause this video, have a go at that. All right, so one way to think about it, let's make a tape, or I guess you could say a bar, that represents the 8 cups of vegetables that Asha has chopped. So this right over here, I'll write it this way, 8 cups right over here. And we could also represent it as the individual cups. Let me do it that way too. Maybe I'll do that in a different color just for a little bit of variety. So we'll do it like this, like that. All right, so I want to divide this into, I want to show the cups here. So what we're doing, is that about halfway? Maybe a little bit further to the right. Maybe right here, that looks about halfway, then half of that. I'm hand drawing it, so it's not going to be super exact, but close enough. So let me divide each of these, each of these, each of these, each of these. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're hand drawn, they should be equal, but you can tell they're not quite because I hand drew them. But you get the idea. Each of those is a cup. Now we know that there's 3 cups of chopped vegetables per batch of the recipe. So, for example, let me pick another nice color here. I'll do green since we're talking about vegetables. That right over there is 1 batch. That over here is a second batch. So that is 1 batch again. And then what is this? What do we have over here? Well, we have 2 cups, not 3. 3 would be another full batch. So this would be 2 out of the 3 cups we need. So this would be 2/3 of a batch. So how many total batches of pasta salad can Asha make? Well, it's going to be 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 2/3. It's 2 2/3 batches. 2 2/3 batches is what she can make.